Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create your browsers that there's like caches and stuff, images and stuff like in Google Chrome. So I'm going to show you how you can create your browsers there is like cache and stuff. So yeah, this is what you're going to be doing in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. With that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I already have my Google Chrome open up here, right? So let's just go ahead and create those data, right? So once you open it, and then now I just want you to come to this hamburger icon right here, these three dots and the edge here, and then click on that. Now the next thing is come to more tools, and then this tab should be opening up, right? So now what I want you to do is just create browser data, right? Click on that, create browser data, and then this window should be opening up, right? You got this. Now like I said in this tutorial, I just want to create cached images and files and stuff. So I'm not going to create my history, so I'm just going to unmark this, and then I'm not going to create my cookies, since that will log me out on most of my on all of the accounts that I'm signing. So I don't want to do that. I just want to clear the caches and stuff, right? So I just leave this mark right here, and then just click on create data. This should take a while depending on how big or how the size of your caches is, so it will take a minute. Now it's done. So yeah, that's how you create your Google Chrome data and or cached image and stuff. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up before you go, and please leave us a comment down below. And if this was your first time, or if you haven't considered subscribe, then please do subscribe. I would really appreciate all that. But with that being said, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.